folks, this is Chris with Reliable Computer Repair. One of my regulars, Maria's here. She just brought in a computer that's not running well.
Hi. A few weeks ago, I noticed that my computer wasn't running quite as smoothly as it normally does. It's taking a really long time to boot up.
Well, there's a number of things that would cause that, and I've been doing this for quite a while, so I do have suspicion of what might the issue be. So why don't you come right this way? We'll just boot this up and take a quick look. All right? That's taken a long time, just like you said. Let me introduce you to a secret hack of mine. This is called FixMeStick. It scans a computer for viruses and malware. It's a USB, you just look for a port to plug it in. So we're going to go ahead and plug it on the side of your computer right there. But in case you didn't know, FixMeStick runs on a Linux operating system, and it's housed actually right here on the thumb drive itself. So doing it this way allows you to run antiviral software, but you're not running it on the actual hard drive that you're trying to scan, which enables FixMeStick to detect viruses that other antiviral software can't. Now let's start the scan. This could take a while, but let's see if we can find anything right off the bat. The first thing it's going to do is connect to the internet and update itself with all of the latest virus definitions. In fact, it combines all of the latest scanners from top antivirus companies. You know, new viruses are being created all the time, which is why FixMeStick continually updates itself. See? It's updated and scanning now. Now, look at that, just like I suspected. You have a virus. What we're going to do here is we're going to click on Clean Computer. And you are good to go.
I was literally going to junk this computer.
No need to do that because we fixed it right up. So let's go ahead and reboot this thing and see how it goes. You ready to try this one more time?
Okay.
Here we go. Boom, wow.
That literally took no time at all.
Right?
So can I use this on all my computers?
Yes, of course you can, but as long as they're, 2001 and later.
Okay.
Oh, and you can also buy FixMeStick for Macs as well. And another thing, and I'm not trying to put myself out of business here, but I highly recommend you use FixMeStick on all your computers regularly, okay?
I will.
All right.
I will.
All right, folks, there you have it. This is Chris with Reliable Computer Repairs. We'll see you next time. So long for now.